Here, I just got off the phone with Echo Gamer, my house phone. I got my own phone, but I'm using it right now. This is me. Um, yeah, have Black Ops on right now. It's all black, the screen, because I was talking to my friend. That's my emblem. It's outside, okay, you already know. Make an emblem. There's gonna be noises, like my brother, sister, my mom. So yeah, here we go. What? Come on!
I'll be right there. But Jesse, you don't have time. Look, the party's on the way to the party. I'll help Chris and still have time to make it to the red carpet.
This is my back windows. This is the laundry room. It's my baby brother. This is my room, and then there's a door right here. It's a restroom, tub. Then the slide door. There's another restroom. Then to this door. My sister's room. Can't see nothing. It's her closet.